First section's in. We've taken the liner out of the kit for the second section, rolled it over the ducts and cut to length, and now we've got our length all bunched up before the ducts, ready to poke back in underneath for the next section. Folding it in on thirds. Everyone's got their own section between the ducts. Gently sliding it in. One to cow. Just go slow, guys, because I've got to, hang on, I've got to form the liner as it goes under the duct so it stays in a good shape for you guys. Yep, keep a bit of tension on it. Keep going. Beautiful. And so if it's opening up but it's not getting snagged on anything, that's all right. Nice work, Cow. Good work, Seb. Keep going. Beautiful. Only a little, hang on, a bit slower. Only a little bit more. Keep going. All right, that's it. Beautiful. Good work, fellas. Now, Seb, that's right. Throw that over. And then if you place the word in the middle, pull tight, Seb, and we'll smooth all the heels in from back here and get a pre-tuck happening.